if you're fond of pungku-pungku or muadto sa Larshan to buy barbecue, you don't really have to go to places anymore just to purchase your favorite street food, because when you buy a GINABOX, everything is already there. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I was sent a special set of GINABOX and the brand is SHERAN'S. This is how their special looks like, and you will be amazed because the sauce that they gave me was really complete, of course. This is their special sauce for their nguyong and another pack for their Shomi. And we also have a lot of vinegar for their Ginabot, and not to mention the abundant bowl of sibuyas bombay, sili o calamansi. So muna siya. And of course, since magginamot man ta, every purchase of a GINABOX, you'll have a pair of plastic gloves, but of course you can use your hands. Just make sure you sanitize it well. Let's take a look at what's inside a special set of GINABOX. It has 3 pieces of barbecue. Right, so it's all the street foods that you love inside a small box, of course. And there are 3 pieces of ginabot. So if you love the ginabot, especially in Sampaguita, sa Fuente, I think you will love this, guys. So it's called GINABOX simply because ginabot is their main dish. So there's 3, and they also have 3 pieces of Shomi inside the box as well. There you go. And 3 pieces of longanisa. Kompleto gid siya, guys. In tulo ka buok pot, I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I think there are 4, 5. 6. I think there are 6 pieces of lumpia and 3 pieces of nguyong. So ubay jud mo makaon, guys, inside this special set of GINABOX from SHERAN'S. I will share their phone number and their Facebook page in the description box. So let's go ahead and try them out. I want to pair it with rice, but later na siya, guys. I'll be eating this for dinner, but just for the sake of this vlog, I'll be trying out each of their food. So let's take a bite from this ginabot. It still is crispy, but I think it would be best to eat the food as soon as it reaches your house. Medyo nahunit na siya, but you can still taste the flavor. Mabis. I think you can also suggest if you want your longanisa to be well cooked. Let's try their Shomi. Their Shomi is fried, by the way. So don't compare it to the ones that you buy in Tisa, because those are steamed. I think it will really go well with the sauces that they gave us, but I did not really prepare it yet. Lamilang barbecue. So one box is actually very good for sharing na tulo ka pieces for each variant. So I'll be sharing here at the side the price list for their products. They have prices for couples. They also have prices for family. So dagan kay mo kapilian na ay sets A to F for couples and also sets A to F for family. Delivery fee is 100 pesos for Cebu City and Mandaue City. For Lapu-Lapu, it's going to be 150 because of course layo-layo siya, guys. So if you're fond of pungku-pungku or muadto sa Larshan to buy barbecue, you don't really have to go to places anymore just to purchase your favorite street food, because when you buy a GINABOX, everything is already there. Muyong, lumpia, barbecue, ginabot, siomai, and longganisa is already there. So digin mo magmahal sa inyong pagpalit ani guys. During this pandemic, you don't have to worry about going out anymore because the food will be delivered to your doorstep. All of their staffs and employees are usually out of school youth and undergrads, so if you buy from them, you're actually helping out those people in need. Ako na nagipangikitan guys. So again, if di ninyo mahurot ang sud sa inyong GINABOX, you just need to refry it the next day and store it in a cool dry place, of course, para di siya madaot. Alright. See, unsa ka abundant ang makaon sa usa ka person if you buy this box, because it's for sharing. So order your GINABOX now. That's SHERAN'S Ginabot in a box. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about the product that I vlogged today, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell as well so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for showing your support. See you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!